Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by getting into position at the block edge. Face the direction you want the bridge to run. Once done, equip a stack of easy place blocks and hold sprint. Make sure your hunger bar is high so sprinting registers consistently, and bind sneak where it's easiest to reach. You will place your first block, then immediately start the cadence of jumps and placements. Don't pause. The goal is steady rhythm so your placements land just ahead of your feet. You now focus on the jump place rhythm that makes a lightning bridge work. Jump forward, and while midair, quickly place a block under you so you land on it. Repeat this without stopping. Once done a few times, your muscle memory will know the timing. If not, slow down and aim at the edge of the block you stand on to ensure placement ahead. Make sure to keep sprint on. Increasing pace gradually keeps momentum and prevents mistimed placements that break the chain. You finish the bridge by reducing speed. Stop sprinting, shift to sneak, and place a final secure block to stand on. If you break rhythm and fall, stay calm, reorient at the edge, and practice slow, targeted placements until you regain timing. Once done, use scaffolding or slabs to recover between attempts so you don't lose progress. One key troubleshooting tip: if blocks misplace, check your ping and input lag. High latency often causes late placement.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.